To the man I love on our wedding day, let's always be in love like we are today. Let's be there for each other no matter what, just like true soulmates should be. Let's be crazy in love when we're 80 and just as much fun then as we do now. Let's always make time for us even when our schedules are filled with things we have to do. Let's always appreciate the laughter, tears, and celebrations of our lives. Let's promise to be in love with each other forever. With every I do we share, I love you so much. Dana.
Justin is probably, well, he's up, that's good. He's up out of bed, maybe at the pool, that would be my guess. Possibly pool. Possibly.
Looking good.
It's looking good.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, and in the accordance of the laws of the great state of Ohio, it is a great honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. Make history bright.